With the help of approved instructors, the education and training from the IICRC offer technicians unmatched expertise and qualifications. Carefully curated speakers provide topics of interest and value. Breakout sessions give a designated space to discuss specific subjects or aspects of each division. The annual instructors meeting is a perfect place to highlight instructors' career milestones, network, and stay up to date with the latest trends in the industry. To learn more about IICRC approved instructors, visit iicrc.org.